enjoying the foods because, like I said, I'm eating beans. Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Stove.
Okay,
Hi guys, I'm Danielle.
so I'm Ren. I'm the papa.
Hi guys, and welcome
You stove.
Hey guys, and welcome back to welcome to the Lucky Stove. And yeah.
Just stop.
Come on, friends.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications. Otherwise, the government will listen to your every move and watch your every sentence.
Hey everybody, and welcome to the Lucky Stove. I'm Danielle, and today we're going to be discussing a theme that we were talking about last week on the live. Were you there? I know you weren't there because I saw nobody. I know you weren't there, but did you watch it on replay? That's the question. That is the question. You're more than welcome to watch it on replay at any point. It was a great recipe, and I came up with that myself, so you should really try it. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about why we follow this. Why I decided to jump into this, the meal. Like, you're going to have to check it out because it's delicious. Oh my gosh. But anyway, it was delicious, and it was following the protocol of the 21-day elimination diet for weight loss. And I got that information from Dr. Stephen Cabral. Hey, hi doctor, how you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
So, what do you have to say about the diet? He's over there.
It's great.
It's great. We're going to tell you more about this so that way you can know how to enjoy this as well and maybe implement it into your weight loss, weight gain, weight stability journey. Alright guys, so I'm really excited to talk to you about this because it's something that we've been following. The whole household has been following this way of eating for 2 complete weeks. This Sunday actually makes the 3rd week. And I'm really excited about it because after the 3rd week, you get a flex meal. But I'm going too far ahead. Let me tell you about how this goes. So, what you need to know about the 21-day elimination protocol. A way of eating is called a diet. So I'm going to call it a diet, and so I want you to understand that it doesn't necessarily mean that you're losing weight or you're trying to lose weight. It's just a way of eating. Okay? Cool. Okay. So, with the 21-day elimination diet, what you are doing is either you are, for me, I'm trying to lose weight. Others may be just trying to maintain. And others may be trying to gain weight. Yes, there are people who are trying to gain weight. People do try to gain weight. They may feel underweight. They don't feel happy in their skin. And they want to gain the weight back so they can feel stronger. And that's fantastic. I support you either way you go. Just healthy weights. That's what we're trying to do. Healthy for your body. Anyway, so the 21-day elimination protocol diet is pretty fantastic. So as a weight loss person, you are firstly eating a limited amount of fat. I'm not talking about low fat. I'm talking as opposed to keto. Okay? So as opposed to keto, you're eating a limited amount of fat. You are eating an abundance of vegetables and at least 7 to 9 cups of fruits and vegetables a day. You eat a buttload of vegetables, a buttload of actually it's fruit and vegetables. That's the whole deal. It is low carb. Don't misunderstand. It's a very low carb diet, and the reason why is so that way you don't push things into your body. That it's not low carb by design. It's low carb by the types of foods that you need to eat. There you go. The foods are very simple. Let me give you an example. I have a list right here. I'm a handy dandy docs. For example, for the animal protein, we have chicken, we have turkey, we have duck, game meat, organ meat, eggs, lamb, buffalo, beef. Now I What was that? Organ meat. I know some of you hardcore ketoers with you get your great nutrition. You eat organ meats. I'm so proud of you. But I'll take a supplement. Thanks. As far as meats or fish are concerned, underwater meat. There's salmon, trout, sea bass, sardines, anchovies, mackerel, shrimp, cod. The list goes on and on. The point is, you're eating a lot. Now, the one thing I want to show you that is kind of different from the rest is this. Okay, there are vegan proteins. This is where you can eat chickpeas, beans of all types. You can eat non-GMO, organic sprouted tofu, estrogen, lentils, split, mung beans, hemp hearts, sprouts, the works. Vegan protein powder, avocado, coconut, olive seeds, nuts, even nuts. Yes, I know. Nuts too. Why, you may be asking? Because it's not about, right now it's not about what you're allergic to. It's about figuring out what you will be allergic to. And really, it's to take everything out. Yes, that is an option. The nuts and things. But if you already know you're allergic to nuts, then you're not going to eat the nuts, obviously. Same thing goes for, I don't know, like high estrogen type foods such as flax. Obviously, if your estrogen is out of whack, you're not going to be probably dealing with flax seeds. All of that to say, all of this is going to be really exciting. The beans are delicious. I'm eating beans. I'm eating lentils. I'm eating mixed beans. I'm eating all these kind of things. It's really exciting. So, what you're doing, this is weight loss now. You're eating a minimal amount of fat. If you really want to know, then you can always, send me a message. You can click on the link tree down below, ask about it, all those things. But this is a series, so I'm going to be going over a few things as we go. It's a 5-part series, so it's going to be really exciting. To what you need to know. Weight loss, you eat only so much, and then slowly you implement more. The whole idea is after 3 weeks, you get a flex meal. During the flex meal time, you get to add one to two different foods into your source. And the reason why is to see if they jive with your body. If they don't jive with your body, after 2 days, you're like, I feel fat, or I feel bloated, or I feel like diarrhea, or yes, this is great, or neutral, then you keep it, and you keep on pumping, and you add that stuff in little bit by little bit, bio-individual eating. This is what I'm talking about. Why jump on a trend that tells you what exactly you have to eat when your body is not like anybody else's? I know, but I can't do keto. Yeah, because I already knew that my blood sugar was crazy, and was not able to eat all those high sugary things such as bread, rice, things. That's the stuff that the doctor already said. And I know, the doctor doesn't know anything about nutrition, but they do know some of them do, and some of them were actually helpful in telling me, don't eat the white stuff. Okay, don't eat the white stuff. That's no milk, no yogurt, no rice, no pasta. But yeah, you can get pasta and green. Yeah, well, whatever. Anyway, all I'm saying is this. With this type of diet, this protocol, you're literally learning what your body, yourself can eat and not have to trip out. And if you are a biohacker, or if worse, you have diabetes, you can take your blood tester, and test yourself after you add in a new food to see how you react to those foods. Because if your blood sugar goes up, or if you check your continuous glucose monitor, and your blood sugar bleeps up, then you know, hey, okay, this is not for me, and you know exactly what it is, and not just some plate of something or other. This thing is exciting. Now, that part of it goes all the way through diet, weight loss. It goes through maintenance. It goes through weight gain. Okay, all of that. That's very important. That's important to know. And that's where I'm going to stop it here, guys, because after this, that's when it starts getting more detailed. So, We will give you more about this. We'll tell you what the beginners need to know, but that's next week. So you got to stay tuned, okay? I'm really excited about this because this is really great. I'm really enjoying the foods because, like I said, I'm eating beans. Keto. You're keto. You're keto, Coach Danielle. I am Coach Danielle. I am about whole body health, 100% of the way. Keto is a wonderful tool. But if you don't have to eat keto and you can still eat other things and still keep your blood sugar under control, which is what you are doing when you get on this elimination protocol, because the foods are non-inflammatory foods, then you're doing great. Thank you so much for joining me here at Type 2. Wow. Listen to the podcast, okay? Type 2, Take 2. Thank you so much for joining me here at the Lucky Stove. May your stove bring you luck or a coupon. And hopefully with this diet protocol that you'll be following me with, then you'll be able to see that you won't need a coupon. Do not forget that we have switched things up. We have moved on Instagram. Instagram, the Lucky Stove Instagram, gone. We have moved. We have moved to envision_whole_health. Why? Because there are so many things that we want to tell you. We want to help you with the podcast. We want to help you with coaching. We want to help you with food. That it was just way too difficult to do all these things and keep it streamlined and cohesive. We want to give you the best experience that we can give you. And we love what we do, and we enjoy cooking for you all, and we enjoy the podcast, putting that out there. And there's no way to keep on enjoying it if we had to continuously wake up and try to figure out which content went to which. So that's why we have brought everything together into one brand. Our Facebook is Envision Health Coaching. Envision Health Coaching. Simple, huh? All right. The website is taking a rebranding. So if you see some things that are kind of out of whack, don't worry. It'll get under control in a moment. You will still be able to find the recipes under the blog. And if you have any other questions, you can always feel free to click on our link tree and get started with some connections. Okay? Comment down below if you're interested and excited about this 21-day detox. Well, it is part of a detox, but we are doing the eating portion only. Okay? So, comment down below if you're excited about this. Let me know if you've ever decided to do a 21-day elimination or an elimination diet, and then tell us what you ate. And maybe we can see what we can do if it matches up with what we have in our, in our pantry. And then maybe we can do something with it too. That'd be so exciting. Don't forget to mind your own macros in all things. But of course, with the elimination protocol, macros are not that important. We are finding what works for you. Okay? Join us. We are doing this thing. We are doing it and we're going hardcore. Look back at the live and watch what we made with that awesome, delicious, best chili. Okay? All right. Thanks again for joining us here at the Lucky Stove. May your stove bring you luck or a coupon. And check us out. All easy on Instagram. Envision_whole_health. Bye.
Okay, guys, don't forget to comment down below. Guys?